make a date of it. Now, it's been a tough time for job hunters recently, and one man from Mansfield has gone to extraordinary lengths to land himself a job after being made redundant over lockdown. James Pemblington has been promoting his CV in numerous creative ways after losing his job at Alton Towers. He's made an edible CV on a brownie, and he's printed it on mugs and t-shirts, on a car cover, and most recently, last week, a CV on the back of a lorry. Did it work? Yes, it did. And James has now landed a job with company Serco. So well done. There you are, a little bit of creativity.